I'm going to shoot this water balloon. It's got a golf ball on the inside with my Mathews VXR 28, 75-pound draw weight, 28.5-inch draw, 394 grain with a field tip arrow, shooting at 298 feet a second. Hopefully it'll be a good slow-mo. As you can see, there's the ball. And there's the arrow in the target. Now let's go check out the footage. Appreciate you watching. If you like the video, hit that subscribe button. That way you get notifications and help out the channel with the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching.